is Microsoft Store won't let you sign in? Then watch this video for some quick and easy fixes you can try. Now, a slow or inconsistent internet connection can make it difficult for the Microsoft Store to communicate with its servers and authenticate your sign-in credentials. Hence, it's a good idea to ensure your PC has a working internet connection before trying anything else. You can do this by opening a web browser and loading a few websites. Next, run the Windows Store Applications Troubleshooter. To do so, open Settings, go to Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click Run next to Windows Store Apps. Now, after running the troubleshooter, try signing in to the Microsoft Store again. But if that still did not work, reset or repair Microsoft Store by opening Apps and Features, locate Microsoft Store app, click More Options, choose Advanced Options, and click the Reset or Repair option to fix it. Now a check mark should appear next to the repair option once the process is completed. That's how you can fix if the Microsoft Store is not letting you sign in with your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.